Can cold laser reduce or eliminate my vertigo? Today, that's the topic for our video. If you don't know me, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove obstacles from their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives for the last 20 years without drugs and surgery. If you like that idea, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I'm constantly producing content to help you live a life of optimal health and well-being. So you've had problems with vertigo, you're looking for answers. You've tried maneuvers online, you may have even tried ours and they've helped for episodes, but you want permanent help. Can cold laser be the answer? I'll share with you, here in my office, when I'm working with a case, that's one of the tools that we use, non-discussion. This is a tool that helps to wind up allowing for cells to turn over. It also helps to reduce inflammation and calm down any parts of your body that are inflamed. We use this significantly on the head and the neck to wind up helping with allowing your body to work and relax. You see, for most people, when they're suffering from vertigo, there has been long-term chronic damage, particularly to the cervical spine. And if we don't wind up correcting this, we cannot relax the balance or vestibular centers of the spine to allow for you to get back to life. What I've found is that this is an absolute essential for managing your vertigo. Now, if you've got questions about how to manage your vertigo, I'm going to guide you to click down below and schedule a discovery call where we'll hop on Zoom and we'll wind up discussing your case so that we can help figure out what's your next best step and get answers so that your future looks better than it does right now. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.